All right. So the market opens in 4 minutes. Mm, Not seeing any crazy news. All I've seen was Trump threatening tariffs. Nothing too crazy. Right now, I'm looking for highs and lows on the 15-minute time frame, the hour time frame, and the 5-minute time frame. Same. So previous day low as well, and the previous day high. All right. So we've already broke that 5 minute. Um, so what this looks like is mm-mm. We have yet to take out previous day lows. So this is like Asian session reversed the uptrend we had yesterday, create a new pattern to a downtrend. But London session manipulation, hold up. London session manipulated the market to go back up, but it looks like New York, early New York session wants to manipulate it back down. Unless it's just a liquidity sweep right here because it hasn't gone under this low. Yeah, we're looking strong here. Market opens in 2 minutes. Okay, looks like the market wants to open an uptrend. So Nasdaq already broke previous highs, which means the S&P 500 is the lagging indicator right now. This is a great SMT divergence. Now it also depends if it wants to close above the high, as it looks like it's just barely there. Clearing out these old drawings. Okay. It's a nice one right here. Alright, it's currently steady. It looks like we're just in a consolidation period. This looks like it would be a liquidity sweep, but it also depends on if this closes on a downtrend, because that would be a break of structure. Market has been rough these past few days. Forex is dope. Not too familiar with Forex though. This one's on a crazy downtrend right now. I guess tariffs could be like tariff threats could be high impact news, but the market hasn't been responding to it like crazy. Maybe maybe I lied. This might have been because yesterday he sent out the threats to Brazil. Honestly, I don't quite know. We'll let the market open for a little bit. Straight drop past the EMA 200. Will it close past it or will it resist? Up, resist it. Oh my gosh. Break of structure on Nasdaq. As we said earlier, the S&P 500 futures is the lagging indicator for today, which means it'd probably be best to invest on the S&P 500. Oh yeah, this is looking. This looks like this is like New York session reversal. China session created highs. It looks like we want to take out all these lows. We've already closed before. We've already closed under the 15-minute low. Is that the 15-minute or the 5-minute? 5-minute low. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to see the S&P 500 catch up with this. fair value gap right here. This one has already been. This is barely a fair value gap though. It's a small one. Doesn't look like this one's gonna be hit though. This is just a straight breakdown. Nvidia's been going crazy lately, chat. Another down candle closure on the 5 minute. S&P 500. Well, the Nasdaq looks like it wants to head back up, but it already created a lower low. This is a great fair value gap. This makes me think it's gonna enter back into this range right here, and then once it enters back into this range, I think that's where I'm gonna place my bet. Now that's if I see potential on Nasdaq. Right now it's looking good. I feel like the S&P 500 will follow, but it's going very slow right now. You see this chat? Beautiful line downwards. That's where you would like it to close. Under here. Nvidia is crazy talk today. Right, new 5 minute candlestick. Ooh, constant downtrend. Got some P500s on the uptrend though. If it breaks this 200 EMA line, another break of structure. Mm-mm. Oh, the S&P finally turned around. All right. Crazy fair value gap. Let this candle close under here. I know what that means. I know what that means. No closure. But there's heavy selling pressure. Okay. And it closed under the 200 EMA line. We have a closure in there. I want to see if it goes past the halfway mark. Let's see if it breaks above this 1 minute fair value gap. This is heavy consolidation period though. High, low, lower high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Trying to see where I jump in here. This market's kind of S&P 500 market is kind of shit right now. We have high, lower low, lower high. This is like a consolidation period. I don't really like counting these, but low, lower high, lower low. And it closed in there in 17 seconds. If it breaks structure, I'm gonna enter on NASDAQ right here. Okay, I'm entering on NASDAQ. Wrong one. If it goes above this, so I stop at. So I got a feeling it wants to knock out previous day lows as well. S&P 500 still has yet to close below this. It looks like it wants to break this consolidation though. All right. Stuff tends to cut out. I think I mentioned this before. That's a closure below as well. Don't know if I should be making two plays. This is a great fair value gap right here. I like to see a closure since it's a consolidation candle inside of this. If I can get a closure inside of there, that would be a great entry point. Oh my gosh, and it hit it. I was not paying attention, but it hit it. Um, so this one is just prop. I did not take this play here, but let's watch this play as well. Take that for value gap out. It means nothing. what we like to see. All right. The market on my phone is lagging just a bit. Take profits were hit, man. Oh my gosh. Let me take this. Double R with the factory rims. Camera. Sorry, Chad. I just had to, you know. uh, All right. I'm trying to see if I should take another trade. You know what? Fuck it. We gonna trade tomorrow, chat. That's gonna be it for today. Yeah. $131 made today in profit. Paper trading, of course. I don't start till October real trading. But yeah, I'm satisfied with today. I'll hit y'all back later if I see a change in market. Other than that though, yeah, check out the next video tomorrow.